How to load your ATV onto a trailer with no ramps. Step 1. Start the machine. Step 2. Engage 4-wheel drive. Step 3. Send it. Oh, don't tie it down. Step 3 again. Send it. Set parking brake. The next and last step, and probably the most important, as you just witnessed, is to properly tie down your ATV. I like to just lay a bungee cord on the rack, and you should be good to go. And the last step, let her buck.